Hey guys, welcome to a new video, this new episode number 49. So today I'll be talking about what I've been doing in this week. So I've been working basically a lot of free time, and what I mean by that is just trying to code out of your mind without following or reading some articles or on internet. And it works and it doesn't work. What I mean by that is, if you don't have a plan, it won't work. You have to know what you want to do, because that way you know what to write and what to do, what's the purpose of that session. What do you want to do? So every time you have a free session of programming, you want to know what you want to do. So I lost a lot of time because I didn't know what to do, and I realized that it don't matter if you just want to go ahead and program if you don't even know what's the purpose of that session. And yeah, I've been reading a lot of documentation. I have my notes here of what I want to say, so I don't forget some points. And yeah, I've been reading documentation, and yeah, that's about it, because I'm working, and every day I work 8 hours a day, just normal, but I commute 2 hours a day, which is an hour to go, an hour back. And when everything comes to normal, when this coronavirus thing comes to normal and everyone goes back to work, traffic is gonna be a little bit heavier, and it's gonna take me more to get to work. Probably about the same, but so I've been something that I wanted to say is I actually installed Linux on my computer. I don't know if you can see it here. I have Linux. I still have Windows. Because I actually edit my videos there, and I have a program that is not compatible with Linux, and I don't want to change the program that I use, because at least for now I want to dedicate my time to programming, and I don't want to learn another editing system or editing program just to edit my videos on Linux. I dedicated 5% of my disk capacity to Linux, about 260 to 300. I don't remember very clearly, 280, about that. That's the disk capacity that I assign to my Linux system. And I'm sorry for that breaking voice, but yeah, whatever. I'll be programming on Linux. Everything about programming will be there. I'll be editing my videos on Windows, and yeah, that's about it. I will have both systems. I want to use Linux because I know that most servers are based on Linux, and I want to understand basically how Linux works, everything. And even I know Ubuntu is a very, very user-friendly distro, and I really like it. It works perfectly fine. I mean, everything, it's working as it should, so it's pretty much a great system. I don't have a lot of experience with Linux, but that's why I want to use it. I'll be having everything on Linux about programming, and yeah, I don't know if I'm just repeating myself. So I think that's it for today, and see you next week.